Hi class, in today's video we'll be learning how to do bases reaction. Let's first recall what are bases. Bases basically have two kinds, metal oxides and metal hydroxides. An acid can react with bases in a neutralization reaction. And the two products of this reaction, acid plus base, will give us salt plus water. And the reason why it's called neutralization reaction is because the end products are all neutral. Water is neutral, right? Because water is pH 7. So the acids and base neutralize each other to form salt and water, which are both neutral. Now let's go on to write the chemical equations. Let's first write the chemical formula for our products. The reactants, copper 2 oxide and nitric acid. Copper 2 comes from Cu2 plus, oxide is O2 minus. Balanced together, we have CuO. For nitric acid, we have to remember is HNO3. Okay, and we add a plus sign in the middle. Then afterwards, we know that one of the products is H2O, also known as water. And now, we have to find out what is the salt that is going to be created. We just look at what are the atoms that have not been used yet. Namely, for this example, is Cu and NO3. But is it balanced? Remember, Cu is Cu2 plus, NO3 is NO3 minus. Meaning, I have to double my NO3, my nitrate. And this salt is actually called copper 2 nitrate. Note that the copper 2 remains as copper 2. And copper 2 nitrate plus water. Are we done yet? No, we have to check whether is it a balanced chemical equation. I need to put the 2 in front of HNO3 because I have 2 NO3 on the right hand side. And after checking, this is a balanced chemical equation. The next example is sodium hydroxide plus nitric acid. Sodium hydroxide is a base because it's a hydroxide. Chemical formula NaOH. Now, you try to write the chemical equation and formula. Pause this video if you need to. This is the answer for the balanced chemical equation. In the last 2 minutes or so, we will go through the second kind of reactions that bases undergo, alkali plus ammonium salt. Alkali, basically it is a soluble base. The 4 main kinds of alkalis that we learn are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and ammonium hydroxide. And for this reaction, alkali plus ammonium salt gives me salt plus water plus ammonia. Let's write the chemical formula for the reactions of the first product. And here we go. Why is ammonium nitrate NH4NO3? It's because ammonium is NH4 plus, nitrate is NO3 minus. Now we shall write the rest of the reactants. I know that water is H2O, ammonia is NH3. Now I just have to find what is the salt, which is what are the remaining atoms. Answer is sodium and nitrate, which gives me sodium nitrate. And remember, the formula for sodium nitrate is Na plus and NO3 minus. Hence, sodium nitrate is NaNO3. Now let's check, is it a balanced equation? Yes, it is a balanced chemical equation. Pause this video to do the last 3 examples. And here are the answers for the last 3 examples. Well done everyone, we have come to the end of the video for chemical properties of bases.